Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be fishing. I catch only one fish, so.
Don't reel it in.
What?
I
I saw something.
You can do what you want. Alright, here it comes.
I feel like a fish. It's something heavy.
It's the one.
Yes, you got one.
Wait, really?
Oh, she did.
Guys, oh my gosh. Sissy killing them. Reel it in. Let's post this one. Hold it flat. Now reel it up. Now, get your hand out of the way. There you go. All right, do it again.
I caught a fish again.
Show Bubby. There you go. Nope.
Ooh.
Let me show you how to hold it.
Yes.
Okay, you want to hold him right in the belly.
Right here?
Yep. There you go. Let's take it.
Can you get the hook off
Yeah.
this one?
Let me post it.
Wait.
Here, I'll record you.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, and I'm gonna.
Do it nicely. Man. Nice. There, good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
You. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Hold that down a little bit. There you don't want to hold it up too high. No, let go. There we go. You're not the real in right now.
Tell me when.
Just stay still, I'll tell you when. Get him?
Ooh.
You gotta set the hook first.
The
Just reel in.
Oh. Oh, she's about to get another one. That one got off the hook, so she did get it. About to do another one. How big this guy is. Yeah, it was on the hook. You saw it. Hey, get it. You're doing good, though.
I got 2.
You're about to get another one.
No, actually, I got 3.
You want to?
All right. See that? Throw it in.
See how it's curly? When it goes straight, yank up. Only when it goes straight. Hold up. Take a look at that. Curly. Curly. No, keep looking at it. Nothing's happening right now. Okay, up. Get him?
Yeah, she got another one.
Yep. Dang.
Oh, good job. Look, she got it.
Oh, he got off.
Oh,
Ow!
that's okay.
All right, well, get him again.
She's so
That
good.
was a crappie.
So, I
White one.
Okay, but
so
that
I was about to catch one.
Yeah, we got it on camera though. You're basically had it. Doing good.
Bella.
Gonna try it again?
Now, when
Already.
You see the line.
Gotta watch her line. See, I think
Hold
it's.
up. Find a picture.
Did she get it? Oh,
Oh, she got him.
she got another one. Almost there. We're about to get
Yeah,
another
let's
one.
try. Take your time.
Okay, so this fish keep getting off the hook, but she basically got it. So we're gonna try again and see.
Let me show you how. You're trying to learn how. Remember, go up first. Yank it up, then reel it in. Now, up.
Oh,
You got him.
she got
You
another
got
one.
him.
Actually, this time.
No.
Yeah, he's right there. I see him.
Oh, yes, she actually has it. You can see it right there. Hey, Adria, woo!
Keep reeling. Keep the pull down. Keep reeling. Get him up here.
Yeah,
Get him up here.
she got it.
Another one.
Mine.
Third.
Well, no. I already had 3.
Grabbing him and
Got
everything.
this one. It's okay.
Focus. Down here at the belly, remember? You can just hold it by the line. Hold it by the line. Right here.
Woo, Adriel.
Third.
Okay.
There you go. About to get another one. Look at you, being a good fisher. Yeah, Adriel.
You do it again.
He flopped in my hand. Yeah. I'll put up. I want to got one.
Okay, so that's her first fish. This is our 3 fish. She's doing good. Come here. Look how pretty the sky is in the camera. You see it? Look how pretty the sky is.
I mean, look. There's like a whole like shame of something like over there.
Girl, look at you being good.
Look.
You're being good. Okay. Ooh. Hey, okay, let's go. Catch another fish.
Got it.
She got another
She
one.
is a pro.
It's your
She is
fourth
a
fish.
pro.
Come on, you got him in.
She is a pro.
Yay, Drew.
Nice.
Oh, you let go.
Oh,
Nope.
right there. I see him.
You have him. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
That's
Told you.
so
All right,
close.
we're gonna do it again.
Let's try another one.
Yes.
That one,
Three.
they keep just getting off the hook, but you are
That
doing
was
really good.
kind of a little bit of fish.
You're still getting good, yeah.
Look,
Fish
here's my
stick.
brother. He looks like a fish. No, actually, I'm kidding. He looks like a turkey.
Dang. Okay. Well, she's gonna catch another fish. She's gonna actually
So,
go on.
I'm going to wait until it's night to maybe catch some catfish. I don't know if I can. Catch
Well, you go fishing another day too, though.
any.
You can do a fishing vlog. Tomorrow you can go fishing again. We can go fishing.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go fishing more.
Yeah, it's fun. You're doing good.
Daddy'll take
And I'll
you-
fish tomorrow too.
Daddy'll take you anywhere,
Right.
anytime. What?
Sky
Remember, go up.
looks pretty on the water.
Oh, wow. Oh, I don't think you got him. That's fine.
She almost had another one.
All right, let me see it. Let me get it back out there real quick. He was a big
We're
guy.
gonna get another one soon. She's doing good.
You see how Daddy's doing this real? It's real hard when you're doing it so rough. He's a little
Okay.
smoother.
Hey, Joe, you're gonna get it. Let's go.
So, I only have
You have 3.
almost 3.
But look, you're gonna catch another one. This
I
time,
have
this
3.
time's a charm.
So, I'm going to try to get some tomorrow. Maybe catch
Yeah, I'm gonna go
28
fishing
or
now,
29.
too.
I don't know.
Dang. Okay, well, you're gonna go fishing another time. Okay, we're back at it.
Hold
Let's
up,
go.
you're ready. Hold it down, your pole. There you go, now reel it in.
Does she
Ah,
get
Daddy
another one?
didn't get him.
She didn't get one right now, but she's gonna get
Second.
one soon.
God, well, that was a good timing.
Ooh.
That was very good
Did you get
timing,
another
though,
one?
even if you didn't get him. That was perfect. Now hold your pole down now and reel it in. There you go. Getting it now.
I got him. I feel something like weird.
Oh, he's hooked on the ball. You get on one again?